Hi everybody, today I'm going to be facing my big fear of rain and darkness. It's been raining for 5 hours and it's currently like 5 a.m. in the morning because I've been up since 3 a.m. trying to crochet. A YouTuber, sorry, my fan thing cut off, but my mom is sleeping, so I do have to be quieter in the hallways, but I'm going to go downstairs and I'm going to show y'all. Okay, so I can talk loud again. I made it back to my bed. I'm a little bit out of breath, but I made it. And I saw a really loud thunder. That's why I ran up the stairs so fast. Also, you can't really hear the rain because it's just lightning. There's like no thunder, no rain. Like, that's it, lightning, that's all. Hope I did it for you guys. Bye.